Hi, I'm Dr. Ford, and as you can see, I have a ton of personal things here, from books to what my kids give me, things that I read. I wanted to pull out this book, The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. I am not quite finished with it yet, but if you are reading this book, this is similar to the book that I'm writing with a co-author called Discovering Your Food Story. And we have a concept in there called the empowered no. And I find it similar to being the let them theory. The let them, meaning let them do what they want to do. And then let me is the other half of Mel Robbins' articulation of these psychological concepts. But empowered no is let me say no to something and it be okay, and let me be firm in that decision, and let others do what they want to do when it comes to food, body weight, and eating is sometimes so hard in social settings because there's peer pressure, there's stories that you're navigating, there's so many things that can happen when you're in a social setting with food that creates decisions that you may not like later. And so if you're one of those people that can read the room quickly and you're picking up on other people's energy and you're worried about what other people are thinking or they're going to say about your food choices, sometimes an empowered no feels impossible because the voices or the food noise is so loud. And so if you're reading this book, think about your own health story, your food journal, your food story, and how it can connect with some of these psychological principles. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Okay, bye.